Welcome back. There have been significant developments in the Swati Maliwal assault gate case today in terms of probe as well as politics. When it comes to investigation, Bibhav Kumar is in police custody for 5 days. And in terms of politics, Aam Aadmi Party is on the streets and coming in for a lot of questions on which it stands accused of maintaining a deafening silence. That's because today, Arvind Kejriwal led a march to the BJP headquarters to protest his former PA Bibhav Kumar's arrest for allegedly assaulting one of his closest colleagues, Swati Maliwal, in his own official chief ministerial residence. Kejriwal has picked a side, and this was evident from the attack he mounted on the Prime Minister while remaining totally silent on Swati Maliwal despite speaking for 11 minutes.
इस ऑपरेशन झाड़ू के तहत आम आदमी पार्टी के बड़े नेताओं को गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा, गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है। आने वाले समय में आम आदमी पार्टी के बैंक अकाउंट्स को सीज किया जाएगा। ईडी का वकील ऑलरेडी कोर्ट में ये बयान दे चुका है कि चुनाव के तुरंत बाद आम आदमी पार्टी के बैंक अकाउंट सीज किए जाएंगे। ये मैं अपनी मर्जी से नहीं बोल रहा। उन्होंने कहा अभी सीज करने थे, लेकिन अभी हम इनके सीज करेंगे तो इनको सिंपैथी मिलेगी। तो चुनाव के बाद वो आम आदमी पार्टी के बैंक अकाउंट सीज करेंगे और आम आदमी पार्टी को दफ्तर खाली करा के आम आदमी पार्टी को सड़क पे लाया जाएगा।
The Aam Aadmi Party's protest march to the BJP headquarters seemed a laboured endeavour. The police were deployed in force and the heat was blistering. After a short walk to the BJP office, several of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders sat down on dharna, though that also ended quite quickly as Chief Minister returned to the party offices. The BJP has now hit out at this protest, and so has Swati Maliwal, who has tweeted that in a different era, these very people would march demanding justice for Nirbhaya, and this time are out in support rallying for a man accused of assaulting a woman. This time, those same people are protesting for an accused who allegedly deleted crucial evidence as well. She piled the misery on Kejriwal next, adding that AAP didn't even put up this much of an effort for Manish Sisodia. The BJP was in an unsparing mood. It attacked Kejriwal for a damp squib protest.
जब इसी दिल्ली ने एक बहुत ही दर्द भरी, बहुत ही नृशंस एक घटना झेली थी, निर्भया कांड, तो उस निर्भया कांड में वही व्यक्ति उसमें यह दिखा था कि वो महिला सुरक्षा के पक्ष में कुछ बातें कर रहे थे, और आज वही अरविंद केजरीवाल एक महिला को पीटने वाले को बचाने के लिए, उसको सजा न हो इसके लिए आज सड़कों पे प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
अगर वो ऐसे मिलने आ रही हैं बिना अपॉइंटमेंट के, तो उनको मारा पीटा जाता है। हिम्मत कैसे कर दी उन्होंने शहंशाह से मिलने की, सुल्तान साहब से मिलने की हिम्मत कैसे कर दी उनकी पुरानी साथी ने। अगर खुदा ना खास्ता विभव को इन्होंने गिरफ्तारी के लिए भेज दिया होता, तो ऐसे क्या राज थे जो विभव उनका पर्दाफाश करते। और कहीं ये खौफ है केजरीवाल को, इसके चलते ही आप शक्ल देखिए, उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखिए, इसी के चलते वो सड़कों पर आ रहे हैं और विभव को बचाने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
कुल मिला के केवल 200-300 लोग आए, अरविंद केजरीवाल कार्यालय से निकले, 5 मिनट धूप में खड़े हुए और भाग गए। आप आज केवल इसलिए आए थे कि स्वाति मालीवाल के ऊपर जो अत्याचार हुआ है उससे आपका ध्यान भटके। आज देश ने जिस अरविंद केजरीवाल को देखा है वो एक डरा हुआ, खोखला आदमी है, जिसके बस की न सत्ता चलाना ईमानदारी से, न पार्टी चलाना, न आंदोलन करना। भागो जितना भाग सकते हो। 1 तारीख की डेट कोर्ट ने दे रखी है और उसके बाद 4 तारीख को जनता आपकी जमानत जब्त कराने जा रही है।
At around the time the Aam Aadmi Party's protest march was concluding, the Delhi police reached Delhi Chief Minister's residence. They left a short while later with the DVR recordings. The collection of evidence appears to be the biggest challenge for the Delhi cops at the moment, and this was clear from the remand order of Bibhav Kumar. The judge, in his order made in favor of the Delhi police while granting custody, made a number of key observations. The first one was that there was no challenge to Bibhav's past cases being mentioned and no dispute to the fact that he had been terminated as Chief Minister's PA before the incident took place, and hence that his very presence at the spot, which is Chief Minister's house's drawing room, raises questions. The judge also noted that the video footage being deleted and Bibhav's phone being formatted just the previous day speaks volumes. Accordingly, the judge said that there were sufficient grounds to make the arrest without serving him with a notice first. Now, Shivani joins us for more on this story. Shivani, what next for Bibhav?
See, Priya, Bibhav is in the police custody. Today was the day one of his custody. I'm right now standing at the Civil Lines police station in Delhi, where Bibhav has been kept, and the FSL team is also present out here. The FSL team, which is collecting evidences from the scene of crime, that is the Chief Minister's residence, is also present right now at the Civil Lines police station. And earlier in the day, we know that the police teams had already gone to Chief Minister's residence, and they have already collected the DVR and more evidences they are collecting. And we are also being told that in these 5 days, Bibhav can be taken to Chief Minister's residence, as Swati Maliwal was taken for the scene recreation, and also he can be taken to Mumbai. So the investigation is going on quite aggressively, and we've already seen, Priya, in the remand note, how the court has made very strong, stern observations that Bibhav tried to destroy the evidences, his phone was formatted, and the CCTV is also missing from Chief Minister's residence, the drawing room area where the whole incident took place.
And Shivani, I will come to you about this whole back and forth over whether the CCTV footage has been deleted or tampered with or not. But let's first listen to what Saurabh Bharadwaj has said on this matter. He is saying that it's the Delhi police in collusion with the BJP that is trying to plant fake stories saying that the CCTV evidence has been tampered with. Listen.
कल से मैं देख रहा हूं एक और खबर, लगातार झूठ दिल्ली पुलिस के माध्यम से दिया जा रहा है कि सीसीटीवी कैमरे की जो फुटेज है वो गायब है। कमाल ही हो गया। मुख्यमंत्री आवास की सीसीटीवी की फुटेज डीवीआर समेत पुलिस कल ही ले जा चुकी है, डीवीआर समेत ले जा चुकी है, और खबरें प्लांट की जा रही है कि डीवीआर नहीं मिली, फुटेज नहीं मिली, फुटेज गायब कर दी गई।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।